Hello, so today we are going to do problems from today's weekly contest. So the first problem is a very simple one, right? Easy problem. We get an array of numbers and we want to return the sum of all the elements in the array. Not return that sum, but we want to have two sums. One is the sum of the elements of the array. The second one is the sum of all the digits of all the numbers in the array. And what we want to return is actually the absolute difference between the first one and the second one, right? So for example, here, the sum of the elements in the array is 1 plus 15 plus 6 plus 3, that's 25. Now the sum of the digits is 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3, which is 16, and the absolute difference, 9. So that's the idea. Now this should be pretty straightforward to do, so let's just jump in right away. So what we need here, first of all, is to have two. One is the element sum and the other one is the digit sum. So for element sum, let's call it element sum, right? It's just the sum of the numbers. But for the digits, let's call it digit sum, and we will need to, for each number in the array, we'll need to get the digits, right? And so for every number, we want to break this number into the set of digits. So to do that, well, we just keep going as long as it's bigger than 0. And what we want to do is, to get the digit, is number modulo 10. That will give us the digit, and so we want to add this. So that would give us the digits, so we can just add it to our digit sum. And then we would divide the number by 10, right? And we keep dividing by 10, right? Because let's say if you had 526 as the number, right? First we'll do modulo, we'll get 6, the digit 6. Then we'll do modulo again, get the, or maybe 2, and then we do 5. Or maybe in the reverse order, but that's the idea, to get each digit separately. And so we add it here, and now we can just actually get rid of that D and do it like this. And at this point, we should have the both sums, right? And so we can just do the absolute difference as the problem asks us to do, which is the difference between the two sums. And then we return this. Okay, so let's run this, make sure it passes. Let's run, submit, and that passes test cases. Now you could also do this slightly differently, just to give you another data point here. So what we can do instead of this, actually, we can just convert the number to a string and then get each character separately, and then convert that character to an integer and add them up, right? So to first convert all the numbers to a string, so basically what we would convert this to is something like, we'd convert this to 11563 to this string, and then we grab each character, right? And so to do that, well, we just want a string of num for each number, right? Convert each number to a string and then join them up with an empty space. That will give us this. From there, we want to take each one of them, convert it to an int, and take the sum. And so C for C in this, and then just take the sum. Okay, and that should give us the same result, and that passes as well, right? Yeah, so pretty straightforward. That's pretty much it for this problem. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye.